This is a TEC A1500 reel-to-reel tape recorder deck. Pretty common model, except this one is encased in a hard case. Came as a portable design, which makes it a little bit rare. And it doesn't actually work totally. As described in the listing, the fast forward and the rewind work, but the play function doesn't work. So sold as is for $200, and it's sold on Bonanza. And I had to think about that for a minute. Does Bonanza include the entire description? I looked it up and it seems to, because in the description it says what it's capable of doing and that it's being sold as is, no returns. So I wrote the guy a letter or a message through Bonanza to make sure he knew what he was getting, and I haven't heard back from him. And it's time to pack this for today's mail. So hopefully there's no communication problem. It's going out to the West Coast. Getting this sold for $200, non-working. This is a set of 12 glass negatives. I picked these up at a garage sale for just a couple dollars. And I'd never bought them before and didn't know much about them. I just know that something like this is kind of rare. And but research said they really weren't worth that much. I mean, I saw individual slides of somewhat famous people or places going for less than $10. And these are just portraits. Looks like people from the 1800s. And so I put them up for sale for just $30, and they didn't last a day and sold right away. So at least I turned a couple dollars into 30. This is a Revell model kit for a 54 Chevy, the High Boy. And I picked this up with a number of other models at an auction a month ago or so. And it looks to be pretty complete. And I was able to sell this for $40. This pair of Harley Davidson branded harness type boots, riding boots, I picked up at a garage sale for just under $5 probably. And I used to sell these very quickly, but now boots seem to take a while. And I've had these up for over a year at $60 and finally took a $35 best offer. This is the center horn button for a sports steering wheel found on mid-70s Ford products, Broncos, Mustangs, Pintos. It's just the rubber button though, and I was still able to get $20 for it. The KLH Model 24. It's a record player. It's an FM radio and amplifier in it. These were very popular in the late 60s, bookshelf type stereo systems. I found this up in Minneapolis a few weeks ago, visiting my daughter. We hit a bunch of garage sales and finally found one that had some stereo equipment. The gentleman had a repair quote from a repair shop down the street. It was going to be well over $200 to fix this. And so I got it from him for $5 and was able to take it apart and fix it up easily enough. And it works just great. I did have a little problem with the size sensing finger, but got that worked out and made a video, and it sold in about a week for $200. This is a rain lamp. It's got the Greek goddess, probably Venus, perhaps. I guess if it was Greek, it would be Aphrodite. And these are pretty unique. The lower part is a tank filled with mineral oil and a pump. And it pumps up through these columns up here, and then it comes down the fishing line, and it looks like rain. And there's a light bulb in there as well. And these can get quite expensive, although I've also seen them quite cheap. I bought this for $2 at a garage sale, not knowing if it worked or not. So yesterday I spent part of the day looking over Walmart for some mineral oil. All I could find was baby oil, and then I thought, well, I'm not going to send it with oil, so I don't care if it smells like baby oil to demonstrate. It actually looks pretty cool when it's going. I took a quick video of it this morning along with these pictures, and it sold within just a few minutes for $200. I see plenty of them selling for $150 to $200, so I don't think I sold it too cheap, especially after what I paid for it.